Hey guys, you have reached Top It Off with Miss R, and I'm Miss R. If you would like to see what supplement I went and got to help me control my appetite, just stay tuned. Alright guys, today I went and got a supplement to help me control my appetite. And during this quarantine, I have gained weight. I know how to get the weight off, but when I seen the motivational doc on YouTube use this supplement, I thought I would try it out myself. So let's get to it. The supplement that we will be trying out today, guys, is GLUCOMNNAN. And with this supplement, it's supposed to swell up in your stomach and make you feel full. It's vegan, and it says to take 3 capsules and with a full glass of water. Because if you don't take a full glass of water, this can swell up and choke you and everything. Disclaimer, guys, take this supplement at your own risk. Take it at your own discretion, okay? Now guys, what we're going to do, instead of just taking the supplement, what we're going to do, the bottle says take 3, okay? So I'm not going to do that. What I'm going to do is I am going to take 12 ounces of water, and I am going to drop 3 tablets in there, okay? I'm going to drop 3 tablets in. Now, I am going to wait for them to dissolve. All right, guys, it's an hour later, and this supplement has swelled up in 12 ounces of water. So this is 12 ounces of water, and it feels like a thick gel that you will put on your head. Guys, this stuff has gotten thick. Well, guys, for me, I think I'm gonna do 12 ounces. Guys, I will report back with you tomorrow. So guys, read this. Read the directions on how you are supposed to take the supplement. Guys, about the supplement, yesterday I took 3 pills with 12 ounces of water. Because I put the water in, I put 12 ounces of water in a glass, and then I put the 3 pills in there to see how much it was going to expand. And it expanded and expanded, and it was like a thick gel. Like a gel that you would put on your hair, or Jello a little bit right before it gets solid. It expands that much. So guys, today I will be taking my supplement. All right, guys, well, I'm going to tell you this. I have my smoothie here, and I'm about to take my vitamins, and I'm going to try to make this last. But what I can tell you right now, guys, is this weight loss supplement is not going to work for you if you don't know your triggers. And what I mean by that is, you got to find out what's going to make you eat. I know what makes me eat is my husband. He loves to cook, and he always bringing me food that I didn't even ask him for. And I know it tastes good, so I don't turn it down. My willpower is straight up garbage, okay? I have. So, it will fill you up but you're gonna have to start watching some of the stuff that you do. I believe if I know myself and I have learned myself that I can make this supplement work for me. I really can. This is bland, but I don't mind. This is my fruit smoothie, but I used to put all type of fruit drinks in here and all type of artificial sweeteners and stuff in here, and I know that was adding on to my calories. So you're gonna, if your willpower ain't good and if you just look for this supplement to help you lose weight by itself, it's not gonna work. Alright guys, well that was it. I hope you enjoyed the video. This is Top It Off with Miss R. I'm Miss R. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Don't forget to love one another, stay blessed, and I'll talk to you later guys. Mwah.